Alright, this is the right spot.
Can I start? Is that the buzzer I should press once I'm done?
Okay, let's go. So did you know the first item transacted on Carousell was a Kindle?
A fun fact about Eureka, in its early days, our technology was used to assemble an IKEA chair.
Do you know that lung cancer is the third most common cancer in Singapore?
Razer is the world's leading lifestyle brand for gamers.
We believe in making robots transformatively cheaper.
Eureka has performed more than 10 million intelligent operations in factories worldwide.
We have a Razer Cafe where you can have coffee made for you by a robot arm.
At NDR Medical, we develop our AI and robotics to map out a 3D map of the lung and helping doctors access the nodule when it's very early and very small.
So I brought my friend Snaky Snake. He is Razer's mascot for sustainability.
What you're looking at over here are some 3D printed parts of our robot.
Using the Eureka controller, you get access to years of expertise and research in robotics.
Come learn more about our journey as you visit us as part of Lab Crawl at Switch at 1 North.